How to fix Spotify not loading songs. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, please subscribe to the channel. Every subscription really helps our channel grow as we are really small and it really motivates us to post more. So now let's head to the video. There are some steps that you need to follow. Once you watch the video till the end and follow all the steps, most probably the problem will be solved. So now let's head to the video. First thing, very basic, you have to scroll down and check if your internet connection is working fine. This is a very basic thing that you need to do. The second thing that you need to do is you need to open Spotify. You need to click on your profile icon on the top left. Once you click on that, click on settings and privacy, and then you have to scroll down and you'll find an option of data saving and offline. You have to click on that. Make sure your data saver might be on automatic or it might be on. You have to turn it off. Make sure it's turned off so that if there is any error, it will show up to that. Then you have to scroll down and you will find an option of clear cache, and you have to click on clear cache. You have to clear all your cache. This data saver option, most probably if your data is low or something, automatically your songs will be stopped, so that's why you have to turn it off. Once you clear cache, the last step that you need to do is you need to go back and you have to open your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you're using, and you have to search for Spotify. Once you search for that, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Mine is updated already, so there is no update option showing here. In an Android phone it will show up here, in an iOS device it will show up on the download button. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.